I'm gonna do 2 different layers of glazing on here. And the nice thing about the jet black, Amoco jet black underglaze is that it'll show through glaze and slip. So it really will show through multiple layers, with the exception of opaque or matte glazes. Sometimes it won't show through. But what I use for this pattern is flashing slip, which basically is a slip with a clay that will change color according to atmospheric firing. And then a Celadon glaze over it. So the black slip decoration will show through both of those layers. So I'm going to start with dipping it in a flashing slip, which is called bisque flash, and it's formulated for bisque wear. So I'm going to dip this in my already bisqued cup. So I've waxed the bottom foot ring, so the glaze stays off there, and then I'm just going to do a quick dip in the flashing slip up to the rim, and then set it aside to dry before I use the Latex Resist. I've dipped this in the flashing slip, and it's dried, and you can see where the slip inlay lines are because it raises up a little bit through the flashing slip. So then I'm going to go back with my rubber latex, and I'm going to paint everything that's not a diamond in the pattern. So you'll see the pattern start to take effect here in a second. So this is going to show how you can paint latex over a slip or a glaze, dip it in another color, and then peel it off again. So now you can see that the diamond pattern is what's left, and so when I dip it in the Celadon, these will be glazed, and then the rest will be peeled off to reveal the flashing slip underneath. So I painted the latex over my flashing slip and given it time to dry, and now I'm going to dip this in the Celadon glaze. And so the latex is going to allow me to peel it back off. This particular cup could be also done with wax resist, but the reason to do it with latex, or some of the benefits of latex over wax resist, is that if you mess up the pattern that you're painting, you can just peel it off and start over, where if you used wax resist, you would have to re-bisque the pot and start over. The other benefit to using the latex is that if I used wax, I would have to go back and wash the glaze off of this entire area, where the latex is a little faster because you just peel it off.